Customers scroll, they like what they see, but they close the tab.
Because online, there's no fitting room.
TryOn Virtual is the fitting room for your store. You get both AI photo swap and real-time AR, and you choose which to use. Photo swap covers all apparel. Real-time AR is for eyewear and watches. Entire catalog, no product limits on any plan. After installing, pick the products to activate and add the button to your storefront. No code needed. Takes about 3 minutes. Shoppers tap the button, upload a photo, and see themselves wearing your product in seconds. They can save the look, share it, or go straight to cart. For real-time AR, upload your own 3D asset, or let TryOn generate one for you in few minutes. Just select photos of your product, and TryOn generates an accurate 3D model automatically. No 3D software, no outsourcing. Your customers then see it on themselves live, tracked in real time. Track sessions, completions, and your top-performing products, all from one dashboard. Need help getting started? Reach us directly through the in-app support chat. We're always online, whether it's setup, questions, or anything in between. TryOn Virtual, the fitting room reinvented.